Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be going over practice test 6, writing, a few questions from that I thought were a little bit more challenging. So I'm looking specifically at number 3. So you have been reading about, it was called a necessary resource for science. So let's look at number 3. Schindler and Brunskill were investigating possible causes for the large blooms of blue-green algae or cyanobacteria that has been affecting bodies of water such as Lake Erie. In addition to being unsightly and odorous, these algae blooms cause oxygen depletion. Oxygen depletion kills fish and other wildlife in the lakes. Then I go to question number 3, and it says, which choice most effectively combines the underlined sentences? Okay, so first of all, remember, if they're both two sentences, you could replace it with a semicolon. However, that wouldn't be making it more concise. That would just be another replacing it with another punctuation of the same. So I kind of look for that. I don't want that. I'm trying to make it more clear and shorter. Remove any redundancies. Okay, so let's look at the first one. In addition to being unsightly and odorous, these algae blooms cause oxygen depletion, semicolon. The result being that it kills fish and other wildlife in the lakes. Okay, I like that, except I probably wouldn't use a colon here. So I'm going to hold it, but I don't really like it. In the next one, it says, in addition to being unsightly and odorous, these algae blooms cause oxygen depletion, semicolon. The algae blooms cause oxygen depletion that kills fish and wildlife in the lakes. Okay, so I've got oxygen depletion twice. That's redundancy. We tried to remove that, so that's out. Okay, keep going. In addition to being unsightly and odorous, these algae blooms cause oxygen depletion, comma, and oxygen depletion caused by the algae blooms kills fish and other wildlife in the lakes. The word and is not needed, so that one would be out. Okay, so, and let's just make sure that we understand. In this one, we added the result being. So I'm not really fond of it, but it does actually work. So let's look here at D. In addition to be unsightly and odorous, these algae blooms cause oxygen depletion, comma, which kills fish and other wildlife and angles. Really concise and clear. I'm going to go with D. Now, the reason I like the comma over the colon here is because these are both independent clauses. So that colon just is really kind of giving me almost what I started with in number 3. Whereas this comma and adding the word which has made this a dependent clause, so it's no longer, it wouldn't be a comma splice, and it is the most concise use of the words. Again, you want to make it more concise, you want to reduce redundancies, and you want to take out any words that are repeated. All right, hopefully that was helpful. Have a great day.